Maya, I have a very big problem.
What is the problem now, Theo?
I bought a very expensive guitar yesterday.
But Theo, you do not know how to play the guitar.
I know, but it looked very beautiful in the shop window.
How much money did you spend on it?
I spent all the money I had for my rent this month.
That is not good at all, Theo.
I know, and now I only have 2 coins and a button in my pocket.
We really need to talk about money today.
Please help me, Maya. I do not want to be poor.
Before we help Theo with his guitar problem, please subscribe to our channel Sidekick English.
Yes, and click the like button so we can buy more guitars or maybe just some food.
Also, share this video with your friends who want to learn English.
Okay, Maya. I am ready to learn how to manage my cash.
Let us start with the basics of what we carry.
I usually carry a wallet, but today it is empty.
Inside a wallet, we usually have notes and coins.
In the United States, people say bills instead of notes.
That is right. They say a $5 bill or a $10 bill.
I like coins because they make a nice sound when you walk.
But coins are not worth a lot of money, usually.
That is true. I had 50 coins yesterday and I could only buy a candy bar.
In the United Kingdom, we have pounds and pence.
And in Europe, they use euros and cents.
When you go to a shop, you look at the price tag to see how much something costs.
I forgot to look at the price tag for the guitar.
That was your first mistake, Theo.
I just saw the guitar and I gave the man my credit card.
Did you use a credit card or a debit card?
I used my debit card, so the money went out of my bank account immediately.
A debit card uses your own money, but a credit card is like borrowing money from the bank.
I do not like borrowing money because then I have to pay it back later.
That is smart, Theo. But spending your rent money is not smart.
I know, Maya, I am a bit clumsy with my finances.
Finance is a big word for someone who just bought a guitar they cannot play.
It sounded professional when I said it, though.
Let us talk about shopping at the supermarket.
I like the supermarket because sometimes there are discounts.
A discount is when the price is lower than usual.
I love it when I see 50% off.
That means you pay half the price.
Yesterday, I saw a discount on giant bags of cat food.
But Theo, you do not have a cat.
I know, but it was such a good price. I almost bought 3 bags.
Theo, you must only buy things you need.
But saving money feels like winning a game.
You only save money if you are going to buy the item anyway.
That makes sense, Maya. You are very wise.
When you pay for something at a shop, you get a receipt.
I always throw my receipts in the bin.
You should keep them, especially for expensive things like your guitar.
Why do I need a piece of paper?
If the guitar breaks, you can take it back to the shop and show the receipt to get your money back.
Oh, I hope I did not throw that receipt away.
Go check your pockets, Theo.
I found a receipt for a burrito, but not for the guitar.
You bought a burrito too.
I was hungry after buying the guitar.
You are impossible, Theo.
Let us talk about banks because I need to go there soon.
Why do you need to go to the bank?
I need to check my balance.
Your balance is the amount of money you have in your account.
I think my balance is 0, or maybe even less.
If it is less than 0, you are overdrawn.
That sounds like a scary word.
It means you owe the bank money.
I should probably find a job to earn some more money.
Earning money is better than spending it.
My first job was washing cars in my neighborhood.
Did you earn a lot of money doing that?
I earned $10, but then I spent it all on ice cream.
You have a pattern of spending everything you earn, Theo.
Ice cream is very important for my happiness, Maya.
Happiness is important, but so is having a place to sleep.
Maybe I can sleep inside the guitar case.
It would be very small and uncomfortable.
Tell me about how you save money, Maya.
I put a little bit of money into a savings account every month.
Do you use a piggy bank?
I had a piggy bank when I was a little girl.
I had one too, but I broke it with a hammer to buy a toy car.
Most people use digital banks now on their phones.
I have a banking app, but I am afraid to open it today.
Looking at your bank account is the first step to being responsible.
Okay, I will open it, but I will close one eye so I only see half the bad news.
That is not how math works, Theo.
Speaking of math, I find prices very confusing in different countries.
Yes, currency exchange can be difficult.
I went to a country once where one coffee cost 5,000 units of their money.
That can feel very strange when you are used to small numbers.
I thought I was a millionaire for a second.
But then you realized the bread also cost 5,000.
Exactly, I was a very poor millionaire.
When you travel, you can use an ATM to get cash.
An ATM is the machine in the wall, right?
Yes, it stands for Automated Teller Machine.
I just call it the money machine.
You need a PIN to use it.
A PIN is a secret number with 4 digits.
Never tell anyone your PIN, Theo.
I told my dog my PIN, but he is very good at keeping secrets.
I am glad your dog is responsible, even if you are not.
Maya, do you think I can sell my guitar for the same price I paid?
If it is brand new, you might get most of your money back.
But I accidentally scratched the back while trying to look like a rock star.
Then it is now secondhand or used.
Used things are usually cheaper.
Yes, people pay less for things that are not new.
This is a very expensive lesson for me.
Many people learn about money by making mistakes.
I think I am a master of making mistakes then.
Let us talk about paying for things online.
I love shopping online because I do not have to put on my shoes.
When you shop online, you often use a credit card or a service like PayPal.
Is it safe to put my details on the internet?
You must be careful and only use websites that are secure.
I bought a hat for my dog online last week.
Why does your dog need a hat?
He looks very handsome in a tiny hat, Maya.
Theo, this is why you have no money for rent.
But look at this picture of him.
He does look handsome, but he does not need a hat.
I guess you are right. I need to separate needs from wants.
A need is something you must have to live, like food and a home.
And a want is something that is just for fun, like a guitar or a dog hat.
Exactly. You should pay for your needs first.
And if I have money left over, I can buy a want.
That is the perfect way to look at it.
I think I will go to the guitar shop and ask for a refund.
A refund is when they give you your money back.
Do you think they will give me a refund if I tell them I am a student?
It depends on the shop policy.
I will try my best and be very polite.
Being polite always helps when you are talking about money.
Maya, have you ever lost money on the street?
I found $20 on the sidewalk once.
What did you do with it?
I waited for a few minutes to see if someone was looking for it.
And then?
No one came, so I put it in my savings account.
You are so disciplined, Maya. I would have bought 20 burritos.
20 burritos would be way too many, Theo.
You can never have too many burritos.
Actually, you can, especially if you want to stay healthy.
Money is a very strange thing when you think about it.
It is just a tool we use to trade things.
In the past, people used to trade salt or cows.
Imagine carrying a cow in your wallet.
That would be a very big wallet.
And very heavy, too.
I prefer my debit card even if it has no money on it today.
You will get your salary soon, right?
Yes, I get paid next Friday.
A salary is the money you get from your job every month.
I love payday. It is my favorite day of the month.
You just need to make sure your salary lasts until the next payday.
I will try to make a budget.
A budget is a plan for your money.
I will write down all my costs, like rent and food.
And don't forget your phone bill and electricity.
Electricity is expensive because I leave the lights on all the time.
You should turn them off to save money and the planet.
You are right, Maya. I am learning so much today.
I am glad to hear that, Theo.
I feel much better about my situation now.
Just remember that money does not grow on trees.
I tried planting a coin once, but nothing happened.
That only works in fairy tales, Theo.
I realized that after 3 weeks of watering the dirt.
You really are a character, Theo.
I try my best to keep life interesting.
Well, you certainly keep your bank account interesting.
I am going to walk to the guitar shop now,
Why are you walking?
because I do not have money for the bus.
That is a very good reason to walk.
It is also good exercise.
See, you are finding the positive side of having no money.
Walking is free and the sun is shining.
That is a great attitude.
I hope the man at the shop is nice to me.
Just explain that you made a mistake and you need the money for rent.
I will tell him my friend Maya told me to be responsible.
Leave my name out of it, Theo.
Okay, I will just say I changed my mind.
That is better.
Thank you for all the help with English and money today, Maya.
You are very welcome, Theo.
I think our friends watching also learned a lot.
I hope so, because money is a part of daily life for everyone,
Even for people who buy guitars they cannot play.
especially for them.
We are almost at the end of our talk.
Yes, it is time to say goodbye for now.
But wait, I have one more question for the viewers.
What is your question, Theo?
I want to know what was the most expensive thing you ever bought by mistake.
That is a great question. I am curious to read the stories.
Write your answers in the comments below.
We love reading your stories, and they help you practice writing in English.
And do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet.
See you in the next video for more English and more of Theo's adventures.
Hopefully in the next video I will have some money in my pocket.
We will see about that, Theo.
Bye everyone.
Goodbye. See you soon.